About sequence locks. Sequence locks are often used to create effortless flow in the experience. That's because they can be assigned to any media and are simply solved when clicked upon. In order to find sequence locks, go to Experience, Locks, Add, and here you have it, sequence locks. First, let's give it a name. This should work. Don't forget to numerate your lock. This would be very helpful whenever you need to find the conditions related to this lock. Then, let's give it a location. A location can be a tag, a polygon, an object, a video, or an image. In our case, let's choose an object. Here we have it. Then we should set points. You can either leave the lock points as the amount set for all locks, or you can define the lock's points individually for a specific sequence lock. In our case, let's put it to 0, because whenever we create sequence locks like this, we need it only for this sequence lock to trigger another action or an image and sound or something like this. Then we put a timer. So reset timer seconds. This allows you to set an individual timer for this lock. Let's say 10 seconds. We have a toggle to keep selected items highlighted. This allows you to highlight certain locks once selected. Then we have a toggle for guidance bar can be closed. This is quite obvious why it's here. Then we have multiple attempts toggle. Here we can define how many attempts we can put for the specific sequence lock. As it's a sequence lock, we don't need to put several attempts because user will be able to solve it only by clicking on it. Then we have experience ending lock. Make sure to put this toggle on the last lock in the experience. In our case, this is not the experience ending lock. We go to design and sound settings. First, we have design settings. Here we have confetti effect. When we put this toggle on, after solving the lock, we will have a confetti effect. Then we have sound settings. We have success sound settings, failure sound settings, and final sound settings. Make sure for the music to be MP3 only and to not go over 20 megabytes. It would be best to be under 10 actually. Have hints. So hints in sequence locks are not needed because user will never be able to access hints on sequence lock. Sequence lock is solved once it's clicked upon, so user will never be able to see hints. And now let's save our lock. And don't forget to save it here. Here we have it, our lock is created. Sequence lock works. Let's go to the and let's click on them. And now we see that this image, this object appeared. So this object is related to the condition, reveal condition. So when we click on this lock, the flowers appeared. That's how the sequence lock works.